Hi, this video I'm going to show you how to make a Raspberry Pi Minecraft server for you and your friends. I'd recommend a Raspberry Pi with 8 GB of RAM to run smoothly. First, let's go over the pros and cons of having a Raspberry Pi Minecraft server. The pros are it's cheap, and once you have a Raspberry Pi, it can hold 10 to 15 people with no lag. You can have full control over it, and you can have plugins. The cons are that it is not the most reliable Minecraft server, and needs to be backed up at least every week, and it turns off when your internet goes down. Okay, so you will need a Raspberry Pi, 8 GB of RAM is best, an external computer, an SD card, an SD card reader if your computer does not support micro SD cards, and a power source.
Okay, so let's get to making our Minecraft server.
Okay, so the first step is you have to go into this website. The link is in the description. And once you've got here, you're going to have to scroll down until you find Deploy with Balena. Click on this. Okay, so now it'll take you to this website. This website is where you are going to manage your Raspberry Pi Minecraft server. So you're going to have to either sign up or log in with GitHub or Google. So I'm going to do that. Okay, it might take a few seconds. It's going to take you over to this screen. It's going to say create and deploy to application. So leave everything the same and click on create and deploy. Once it's done, it'll take you to the screen. Now click on add device. So you're going to have to change a few things here. So change, if this is on development, change it to production. And if you are planning to manage your Minecraft server over Wi-Fi instead of using an Ethernet cable, then you are going to have to put in your Wi-Fi username and password here. Once you've done that, now you're going to have to click on download Balena OS.
Okay, so the next thing is you're going to have to click on the second link in the description.
This is called Balena Etcher. This is how you're going to flash the file that you just installed onto your SD card. So click on download for your operating system. And install it.
Once you've installed Balena Etcher,
It should take you to this screen. Insert your SD card into your computer. Once you've done that, click on flash from file. We are going to flash the file that we installed from the Balena website. So click on that, click on open, and now I'm going to select the target. If your SD card is inside your computer, it should show you a target. Click on the tick and select. Now click on flash. And it's going to tell you to put your password in, so you should do that. Okay, so now it's done. So now you can take your SD card out of your computer. So now you should plug the SD card into your Raspberry Pi. Once you've done that, it might take a few minutes and you should refresh the page a few times. It should eventually show that a Raspberry Pi has come. If this does not show for you, this might be because you put in your Wi-Fi password wrong. So just do the same things again that we just did, but change the Wi-Fi password. Now click on the Raspberry Pi. It's going to take a while it starts installing all the components to make a Minecraft server. So just wait for like 5 minutes. You will know your Minecraft server has started once it says timings reset. Once that's done, if you're on the same local network, to join your Minecraft server, copy the local IP address over here. Click on copy and now hop into Minecraft. So let's add a server, name it whatever you want. And paste in the IP address. Click on done and it should look like this and join. And if you're inside this, you've successfully made your Minecraft server. Well done. Okay, great. So you've got into your Minecraft server and now you are able to do whatever you want. So if you want permissions, so you want to have admin, go back into the Balena and to access the console, click on select a target and click on Balena Archon. Click on start terminal session. And after like a few seconds, you should be in. So let's give yourself admin powers by doing op, then your Minecraft name. Now we are now operator. So now we can go into creative mode and do whatever you want. Okay, so it's all well and good being able to join your Minecraft server. What about your friends? How are they meant to join? Now, the problem with joining your Wi-Fi network is that you're going to have to do port forwarding. This basically means that you are allowing other players from different Wi-Fi connections to join your Minecraft server. So what you're going to have to do is, I'm going to put a video in the description on how to do it, because they'd probably be able to explain it a lot better than me. And that is how you will be able to get your friends to join your Minecraft server. Here's how to access server files. If you want to install plugins or you want to change the worlds, then you're going to have to access the server files. You're going to need to install an FTP client. I recommend FileZilla as it works for Windows and Mac and works pretty well. The link is in the description. So, the first step to accessing the server files is to go into device variables. Once you've done that, click on add variable and put in SCP password as the name and the value your password. Click on add. Once you've done that, go into FileZilla and what you're going to have to do is you are going to have to put in the host. So the host is going to be your local IP address. Paste that in. The username root, the password that you just made, and the port 22. Click on quick connect and it should take you into here. Click on the 2 dots and now look for server files. Scroll under server files, find it, double click it, and now you are in the files of your Minecraft server. Now to add more RAM. The default for when you create a Minecraft server is 1 GB of RAM. Now, you're going to want more than that because otherwise your server is going to lag. So, what you're going to have to do is, you're going to have to go to device variables, click on that, click on add variable, name it double RAM, and set it to true. Now click on add. Once you've done that, go back, and it should be restarting the server. Okay, so now my one started up. Now let's hop into Minecraft, refresh. and join. And now you've increased your RAM. It might be a bit laggy for like the first few days, but that's just because like the Minecraft server is just like starting up. And that's it. You've now created your Raspberry Pi Minecraft server. If this video is helpful, please like and subscribe. It really helps out. And if you have any questions, leave a comment down below and hopefully I'll reply. And so thank you for watching. See you. Bye.